Welcome to the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ trim level, powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and mated up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the LTZ Silverado: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability mode, trailer mode, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights. You have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. 25,304 kilometers on the odometer. You have your column shifter with push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. This truck has the all black interior as well, and those heated and ventilated LTZ seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado 1500 LTZ, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Bridgestone Dueler AT tires. We have chrome accenting door handles with keyless entry. This LTZ does have aftermarket AMP research side steps that come down when the doors are open. Chrome mirror caps, Duramax on the front hood. The LTZ has the full chrome front grille and bumpers as well. Parking sensors, fog lights, golden bow tie. Making our way back down the side of the crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows. 4x4 decal on the bed at the back of the truck. LED brake lights, rear parking sensors, trailer tow package, and step-ups in that rear bumper. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.